who says sorry first pagka nag-aaway sila. Sa inyo ba ni Sarah, who more likely says sorry first pagka nag-aaway kayo? And paano ba kayo mag-aaway?
Gusto mo makita ngayon?
Tawagin na, tawagin.
Hello, stars! Pa-demo.
Reenactment,
No, but you know, how I...
After tonight, na-block na siya ni Sarah. Tsaka.
Na-unfollowed.
What I learned from my father is more like he's my role model. No? He's always taught me that in the end of the day, you always have to bow down to the woman.
Oh.
So the woman's always correct, and they
Cover lang yun, ha?
So just give your explanation, and at the end of the day, you say I'm sorry. So and we move on.
Ang swerte ni Sarah. Ang swerte ni Sarah.
Bakit kasi nag-iisa
Sana ganyan, no?